Are you interested in a career in web development? Are you looking to expand your web design skills and actually write the code? Have you been using a tool like Dreamweaver but want to understand the code that's written in the background? Are you ready for an intensive course that brings you from beginner to developer quickly and easily? If so, LearnToProgram.tv's Become a Certified Web Developer is for you. It's simply not enough in today's competitive environment to be able to design but not code. You have to be able to take your vision from Photoshop design into a working website, and that requires more than just knowing a single markup language. Contemporary websites use HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and a back-end language like PHP. If you are looking to design websites as a career, all of those languages must be part of your arsenal. Even Dreamweaver can't replace the value of being able to write the code. Plus, developing with HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and PHP is free. There's no extensive software to download, and you can start making professional quality websites as soon as you complete the course.